break for a question, please? It's KC0FBU.
Go ahead.
I just bought a USB portable disk device so I could put a floppy drive on my computer. Where do I hook it up? This is a dumb question.
Well, there should be some square-looking plugs on the back of your computer that are really thin. And they should be labeled USB.
Well, I got two of them back there. Does it make any difference which one?
Negative. Hence the name Universal Serial Bus.
Okay, thank you much. This is KC0FBU. Clear.
No problem. Have a great day. Oh, haven't heard from you in a long time. AC0KC. Yeah, it's the little connectors. There's like a tree symbol on the end of the plug. Looks like a 3-branch tree. And there should be one on the back of the computer that matches it. I had to do the same thing. It's frustrating. New computers don't come with floppies anymore.
Well, I got 4 of them back here.
Any one of them will work. So you can plug in all kinds of things. You can plug in a floppy and, let's see, plug in an interface to your radio, plug in a printer. I don't know what you're going to use the 4th one for.
I don't know.
Plug in an interface to your radio, plug in a printer. I don't know what you're going to use the 4th one for.
I don't know either. But all I need to do is copy that MFJ multi-band, MFJ multicom system on my computer for packet.
This is interesting QSO right here.
Just out of curiosity, where are you going to be operating packets? Steve and I both do that.
Probably on 145.050.
Okay, well, I'm sitting around the house and give me a holler when you get it set up. I'll help you test it out if you like.
Okay, sure will. If I can get it hooked up. It's been a long time.
Oh!
Hello, Sandy. Interesting. I was just going to tell Steve, well, if I really felt enthused to get into something else, I'd yank out that unit and see if I could get it running on packet.
Got a whole bunch of them I'm thinking throwing over the hill.
No, they work fine as long as you stay above 145 and be careful when you program them. Yeah, Glenn's at work. forgot to ask him about that software again, the firmware for the guts.
7-3.
Why are photographers ditching their expensive cameras for this NASA super zoom lens? Because it clips on your smartphone